So what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. You have probably heard about the launcher, which is one of the great launchers out there. If you are interested in installing custom launchers, launcher is always one of my favorite ones, and I have already a video on launcher Android version 11 supported on my Hindi channel. You can check it out if you want to, and that is just kind of an APK which has only a little bit of issues in full screen gestures, but this one is actually a Magisk module. So Systemless Launcher, it will automatically replace your default launcher, so you will not face any kind of issues. It will work with your full screen gestures. It's just great. You can try this launcher right now on any of your device, and I'm not sure about it if it is supporting MIUI or not, but all the Android 11 based custom rooms, maybe Pixel Experience, AOSP, any kind of room, it should support all of those rooms whichever you have installed on your device. It has some limited kind of features if you compare it with the launcher Android version 9 based, Android version 10 based. Android 11 doesn't have all those features, but it's in early stage, so you will get all those feature packed launcher, all those features in a feature packed launcher very soon. But right now we don't have that launcher. It has all those customizations. Talking about the dock related customizations, app drawer customizations are also there. Some other customizations are present there, and you can install this launcher. If it is a systemless launcher, then it should work definitely fine. And yes, I've tested it, it's just working fine. I'm not going to show you how you can install this. It's kind of really easy. You just need Magisk Manager for that, and you can install this as a Magisk module, and everything else is done. It's just up to you, whatever else you want to use it. Just install this thing right now on your device. Link is in the description. This is all about the information for related launcher. If you want to install it, as I previously told you, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.